Hey guys, I'm back for another video. Here's some parrots. That one's sleeping. This one is a mask lovebird.
Which one is the mask, that one up there?
Oh, yeah.
And then there's the rock peddler.
This one's the mask lovebird. This one over here sleeping is called the rock peddler. And this one here is called the, it's sleeping, it's called the mustached parakeet. Here's like a rainbow one.
What's the ones up there? Look.
Princess parrot. One having a swim or bath. Oh look, here's one. He wants to say hi. Oh yeah, that one's a loud one. This, the white one is.
No, where is it? It's not that one.
No, the white one is called the little
Yeah.
gorilla,
No.
and the black one is called the Congo African grey parrot. Look at these beautiful ones. This is a cockatoo.
Sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Sulfur-crested cockatoo.
This one's upside down.
If you like Maverick, be a Maverick. Maverick. Maverick.
Is that a Melbourne? Right? They're like native over in Melbourne. They're all over the place.
Let's get out of here, Justin.
Here's a park. Big bug. Okay guys, this is only a 2-minute parrot video. There. Hope you liked it.